In this video, we're going to see what's inside of this paper pumpkin kit. Isn't this a pretty box? They aren't always pretty, but oh my goodness, this one's just a gorgeous box. This is the October 2021 kit. It's called Peaceful Christmas. For those who don't get the kits, every one of them is going to come with a little ink spot, and throughout the course of a 12-month year, there will not be a repeat on color. So it's a good way to build up a supply of little ink spots. You can use these ink pads on larger stamps as well. Every kit also comes with its own stamp set. Put this on a white background so you can see what's in this one. This one was called Peaceful Christmas, and so it's got Christmas sentiments. Merry Christmas, peaceful Christmas wishes, wishing you and your family all the best, holiday cheer to you and yours, from our home to yours, and sending you peace and joy all year long, along with some snowflakes and a real pretty line of little Christmas trees. The insert tells you that there is some coordinating product in the catalog that coordinates with this product that's in this kit. So let's see what's in this kit. I always try to open it carefully because I can save and use this tissue paper. And actually, I save the boxes because these are great sturdy boxes. And then if you subscribe, you end up with a whole bunch that are all the same size and they fit real nicely on a shelf. Oh gosh, these are pretty. Every kit comes with a set of instructions. They are not all card kits, but this one was a card kit. And actually you get quite a few here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to get 10 cards in this kit. 5 of this design, 5 of that, and then it's got some matching envelopes. Inside, there will be instructions. So inside there's instructions, and there's also going to be a measuring ruler along the side. And on the back, there will be a link to a video for the instructions on how to put them together, a visual for all the parts that should be included in the kit, and then there'll also be some ideas for additional ways to use the product other than the intended projects. Here are these gorgeous envelopes. And look at this, they come, isn't this pretty? The inside has this check pattern, and I do know that some people actually will cut the envelopes apart and use this piece on a project, or use this on a project, but gosh, these envelopes are so pretty, I'm not going to cut those apart, I'm going to use them the way they are. All right, so here are all the parts. We had this little packet with the red twine, we've got these words, these punch-out words, Noel, in the silver foil. In addition, we have some punch-out trees in vellum. We've got these self-stick little enamel sparkly dots. Some labels that you can stamp one of the sentiments on. Some red banners that you can use for doing the layering. And then these punch-out shapes here, which punch out the background. We got a wood grain punch-out, a circle punch-out. We've got some more of these vellum trees. And then these are the card bases. So they fold in half. They're already pre-scored for you. Makes it nice and easy. And look how gorgeous this is with the sparkly. I think you can see that in there. That's sparkly on the trees. Some people will take their projects like this and cut it apart and then use that as a card front. And now suddenly your 10 cards becomes 20 cards. And then this is your other card base. Again, it is pre-scored. And again, for a visual, these are the projects. So you would be using the, you would be using this plaid cover on the front of the green card. This beautiful tree pattern would be used plain, and then you have all the embellishments that are needed for it. This was the October kit. This is an example of the kind of thing that you get in the paper pumpkin kits. You can purchase them individually. You can also just subscribe. It's a little less expensive that way because shipping's included in the price, so it's not like you're paying extra shipping for it. But if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll have the links below for how to subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook, it will probably be in the description up above on the Facebook post. If you are interested in subscribing, you need to subscribe by the 10th of the month in order to get the one for the next upcoming month. If you have any questions, contact me. I am Katie Johnson, and we will talk with you next time.